Okay. Of the three things that are up there, saw clouds of dust. You told the grand jury about that,
Yes.
and that was provided to the defense.
Correct.
And you were also asked where the shooter was. Is that correct? Where the shots were coming from? Is that correct?
Here today?
No,
Or
in
when?
front of the grand jury.
I don't remember.
Would you like to refresh your memory?
Please.
May I approach your own? Yes.
Okay. Yeah, it says on there.
And so were you asked where the shots were coming from?
Yes.
And did you tell the grand jury?
Yes.
And was that provided to the defense?
Yes.
But you were not asked how the shooter was dressed. Is that correct?
Correct.
In front of the grand jury?
No. Well, I don't believe so. Not in that part that I just read.
Now I want to go back to the questioning that's been occurring. Today's question has been very specific. Is that right?
Yes, sorry.
In front of the grand jury, was it very specific?
Not like this, but I don't know. It's a little more specific here.
Okay. And with the Rangers, did they just simply ask you to tell them what you knew?
Yes.
Were you conducting the investigation?
No.
Did you know what was specifically important to them?
No. I didn't think that what I had to say was as
So they asked you to explain what happened? Is that correct?
They did, yes.
And you told them?
Yes.
And when they asked you, is anything else important, did you know what was important to them?
No. I was ready to get out of there.
Was it your job to know what was important to them?
I was object to leading.
I'll overrule the objection. Go ahead.
I'm sorry. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Was
No.
it important for you to know what was important to the law enforcement?
No, it's not my job.
And now I want to go back to those events if we could, okay?
Okay.
You hear a sound? Did you hear a sound?
Yes.
And did you attribute it to something that you were familiar with?
Yes.
And what was that?
The dumpster.
And now Mr. Goss's questioning very well could have been a wreck instead, correct?
Yes.
So you attributed it to something you were familiar with.
Correct.
Then you hear what you found were firecrackers.
Yes.
So you hear a sound,
Yes.
attributed to something you're familiar with.
Correct.
And according to Mr. Goss, now that very well could have been gunfire at another human being, correct?
Correct.
And then you have a coach, correct?
Correct.
That tells you to, or what is your testimony? Did he tell you to go on lockdown, or what, did he say anything to you?
I don't remember if he said anything. I just saw his face and I saw him pull up the radio and
But at that time,
I knew.
I believe you said to Mr. Goss that you were thinking bailout.
no, when I got into the classroom, the kids said that they were not taking it seriously because of all the bailouts.
Okay.
But I didn't think that it was a bailout,
Oh, at the
like
time.
based on the coach's face, I guess, and
Okay.
everything.
All right.
That never, I guess, crossed my mind.
Very good. Thank you.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Just briefly, thank you, Judge. The prosecutor asked you out of the three things on here, and we talked about it, that you did say that there was clouds of dust to the grand jury years later, but not at the time, right?
Correct.
The three things, these two things were not given to the defense, and you understand that?
Yes, I do now.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear what the last question was. It may be important.
Oh,
Did you say?
I said, the three things, the two things, you said the three things on the board. I said, those three things, those two things weren't given to the defense. One and two.
Okay, I just want to make sure I heard that.
And just because Mr. Turner asked you, was it important to you to know if it's important to law enforcement? And you said it's not your job, and I agree with you. It's their job, right? But you agree that seeing a man with a gun on your campus is an important detail that you would recognize instantly that you would need to talk about.
I mean, I know that now, yes.
Well, and you would have known that then.
Possibly.
Because I think what you were saying when he was talking was is you didn't think that what the information you were providing was, in the scheme of things, I guess very important. I didn't hear you because you were talking.
Yes, I didn't think that what I had to say was very important. I didn't think that it mattered based on or compared to everything else.
I understand. But seeing a shooter and being shot at are important details. You would agree with that?
I mean, it depends on who you are. I don't know, I guess. Possibly.
I'll pass.
Just one more question, Your Honor. Of the three things, Mr. Dawes agreed that you did tell the grand jury it was provided to them that they saw clouds of dust on the playground, correct?
Yes.
But he said that you did not, or the information was not provided, and you did not say before that you saw the person on the south side of the building. Is that correct?
Correct. Oh.
But you were asked that question from the grand jury,
I
weren't
just
you?
read that. Yes, sorry.
And would you tell us what you told the grand jury?
Yes, it was towards, obviously, the building indicating. So I'm guessing I was pointing at that time or something. At that point, the coach had yelled, "Hey, get in the room."
No further than
Okay.
that. I'll just the whole point. So the specific question was asked where, and you said obviously toward the building, and then it says indicated, so you pointed to something. Is that correct?
Yes.
So that information was provided to the grand jury
Yes, sorry.
and the defense.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay, Judge. All right. I'm sorry. I don't want to do this to you. I'm sorry he keeps doing it. Saw this person on south side of building, and I'm not irritated with you. It's them. Saw this person on south side of building. Now, what you just read from the grand jury, you agree with me. You never told the grand jury that you saw the person on the south side of the building, however he's trying to make it seem. You would agree with that?
Yes.
Shots coming from a location is not, I saw this person on the south side of the building. You would agree with that as well?
Yes, but wouldn't it be, I don't know, it's kind of implied?
You're saying that it's kind of implied, but it's this phrase right here, I saw a shooter and he was on the south side of the building, that was never said to the grand jury or at any other time except in December when you told the prosecutors and they didn't tell us.